Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Malta? The average annual gross salary is $14,100 or roughly $1,175 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $11,985 yearly or about $999 monthly. In Birkirkara, the annual gross salary is $14,523, which is roughly $1,210 per month. The city net salary is $12,345 per year, or about $1,029 each month. Pay can change with experience, qualifications, and the type of workplace. Hotel, office, and industrial cleaning jobs may also have different pay. Night shifts and weekend work can bring higher pay. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.